Hey creators, welcome back to BlipCut channel. Switching from TikTok to Rednote? Yeah, it can be a bit of a hassle, especially if you're running into language issues. But don't worry, whether you're Team iPhone or Android, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the easiest ways to tweak your language settings, tackle common problems, and make your Rednote experience smoother and way more personalized. Since this is as basic as it gets, let's start right at the beginning, downloading the app. You can grab Rednote straight from the App Store if you're on iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Alright, once you've got it downloaded and opened, you might notice that you don't have an account yet. And if you're not feeling like registering with your phone number, no worries. You can easily sign up with just a click using your Apple or Google account. Next, let's set the language first. Tap on Me. Then go to Settings, and from there, hit General Settings. Now, select Language, and choose English. Easy, right? Here's the catch right now, Rednote only lets you set the app to English. Even if you change the language, it doesn't translate the videos themselves, so they might still be in Chinese. But no worries, we've got a workaround.
家人们等不及了，今天来吃个藏在老居民楼下人均30的街边小火锅，记住这个位置。
Simply save the video you need and head the link below over to BlipCut's online video translator. We'll show you how to make those translations happen in no time. Now click on Try Free Online to start a new project. Then, just drag and drop your video to upload it. And choose your target language. You will have access to over 130 languages and various accents. How cool is that? I generally choose to keep the original sound of the video. In just a few seconds, you will have your video translated into a new language.
We're excited for a street-side hot pot today, hidden under an old building costing only $30 per person. Remember this spot, it's right under this kind of old building. They really have a wide variety, plus all sorts of snacks. Just give me one of everything. Their hot pot ingredients are really generous. Spicy pig's trotters, huge trotters, beef and tofu hot pot with large slices of beef, and the flavorful roasted duck hot pot. Don't forget to throw in some instant noodles. Finally, let's enjoy some delicious snacks together.
Hope this video has helped you out. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.